In this question, we need to apply our algebra skills to a bit more of a problem rather than just being asked a straight solving equations or simplifying question. And it talks about this rectangle which has a length of x plus 4 and a width of x. Find an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, the perimeter is basically the length plus the width plus the width. So if we apply that to our particular problem, we're going to end up with, well, x plus 4 plus x plus 4, two lengths, plus x plus x. And if we simplify that, we've got x plus x plus x plus x. Well, there are 4 of them. And the two numbers 4 plus 4, which is 8. We can't simplify it any further, so therefore the answer to that particular question is 4x plus 8. The question then goes on to tell us that the perimeter of the rectangle is 54 centimeters. Work out the length of the rectangle. What we can do is we can create an equation, because p is 54 and we know that p is equal to 4x plus 8, and now we've got some an equation to solve. The first thing we're going to do is we've got our x's on the right hand side, no other x's anywhere else, but there's also an 8 on the right hand side, and we'd rather not have that there, so we're going to take away 8 from both sides. Taking away 8 from the left hand side is going to leave us with 46, and that's going to be equal to 4x. And because we've got 4 x's, we only really want to know what one of them is at the moment, so we're going to divide both sides by 4. Dividing the left hand side by 4, well, 4 goes into 44 11 times, goes into 48 12 times, so we're going to get 11.5, and that's going to be equal to x. Now, just to check that, if that's true, then 54 should be equal to 4 times 11.5 with 8 added on. 4 times 11.5, well, 4 times 11 is 44, and 4 times half is 2, so that gives us 46 plus 8, and that does indeed give us 54. Now this is where you need to be careful. It says work out the length of the rectangle, and if we remember, the length was x plus 4, so the length is x plus 4, which means that's going to be 11.5 plus 4, meaning that the length is 15.5. Always remember to read the question carefully.